Good day. Also, this Suzuki Ever and the Daihatsu Hijet minibuses are one of the most used minibuses for transportation in Nigeria. And there's some questions that have been raised by concerned maybe people that wants to go into the business, asking how does this minibuses come into the country? Are they cut and assembled in Nigeria? And they also, can I get the one that is not cut? And also the ones that are cut, will there be any side effects at the long run? So all these questions will be answered in this video. So let's get started. The first question there is, how does this minibuses come into the Nigeria? The truth of the matter is that all 99% of the minibuses in Nigeria are cut and packed in a container and brought into the country. The major reason why it is done that way is to reduce the cost of shipping and transporting these goods down to Nigeria. For example, if you are to put one minibus in a 40-feet container, once you slot in one, remember it has height. You cannot fit in two, just like normal sedans where you can fit two sedans or one under, one on at the top. For this one, you cannot because it has height and it has width as well. So if you are to fit in two, it won't work. So that's the major reason. When you cut these buses, you bring them in, you pack them inside the container, it will reduce the cost of shipping and even the clearing and every other thing. That's why the price is still even affordable. Then the next question is, can I get the one that is not cut? Yeah, it's possible. You have to pre-order it, but the price will be almost double what you get when you buy the other one. So because of people that always ask me, I need the one that is not cut, you can get it, but it will be on pre-order. Unless you see somebody that brought one, but it's always very rare though, because nobody will waste his money bringing one to keep and they wait for you to come and pay for it. Moving over to the next question, which is, at the long run, would there be any side effects? Not really. There shouldn't be any side effect if the people that awarded it use the appropriate tools. If the appropriate tools are used to weld them together and join these buses, you will not have much any issue at all, because 99% of the minibuses in Nigeria are cut. So when you bring them in, you have to weld them together. Moreover, where they are cut are mostly the place that are welded together, so it will be easy for you to weld. So, and if you use the actual right tool and also put in due diligence and weld it, the bus will last until you decide to drop it. So if you want to get this minibus, you can do what to reach out to Alpha Loss Reviews Limited on 081 07 99 2356 for claim buses at an affordable rate. Also, we made a video on the pricing, so if you want to know the pricing, you can check the link in the description. Also, there's also the link at the end of this video. You can click on it. And also, if you need even the mini trucks and all of them, the videos are here. You can check out the videos. Also, before you go, do what to like and subscribe, because we got so much more videos coming your way. Thank you.